Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and show you how to set up for the first time this eufy security camera. This is the 4K ultra high definition 4G and Wi-Fi with forever power. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you want to plug this in. This has a built-in battery that needs to charge 3 to 5 hours. So it does come with this little cable. You're going to plug this into a USB-A power supply and then open this little door right here and plug that in. We want to get this nice and charged up first. Now in the box, it does come with a micro SD card, so we can store some stuff local, but it does come with this 32 gigabyte micro SD card. Now we're going to want to put that SD card in. So there's another little door right here. These doors have little keepers. So no, that's the 4G SIM card. Sorry about that. So underneath the lens, there's the spot for the SD card. Okay, so you want to put that SD card in before you plug the charging cable in so it doesn't power up, and you can move that lens up and put it in. Okay, let's look at everything else that comes in the kit. This is for the mount for the solar panel. Here's the solar panel. Now again, it's got a really long cord, and you're going to plug it into that power, that USB-C port. Now it does say it outputs 5 volts, 0.9 amps. And so you want to screw this on here. Now this will rotate, and then when you get it to the position you want, you're going to rotate, you're going to screw that down, and that locks it into place. And then that's just 1/4 threads. So you're going to mount the solar panel, and again, you got all kinds of options. You can mount it. You want this directed at the sun. There was a piece of plastic. I took the piece of plastic off. Then tighten this, and tighten that little nut. Now it does say with optional sunlight, built-in solar panel can supply 1,000 to 1,400 milliamp hours per day. And it says the camera uses 100 to 460 milliamp hours over an average day and night. So this should keep the battery nice and charged. Now this cord is really long. It's 118 inches long. Now it will create a weather-tight seal when you push it in and install it into that power port right there. Now there is a sign here to let you know exactly how to install it. Like you're going to be able to you're going to read the eufy Smart logo. Okay, now let's install that micro SD card. So it looks like it's going to go with the wording up. And you press it and it stays in, press it again, it pops out. Make sure you put this as a weather tight seal. Okay, let's do some measurements. The solar panel is 7 1/4 by 7 1/4. Thickness is about 3/4. It sticks out from the wall roughly about 5 inches, but again, you can maneuver that. That cable's permanently attached. Now this is the mount for the actual camera. We do have some wood screws here that we can, and some wall anchors, and we got some templates. So these stickers, you peel them off, and it shows you where the holes need to be drilled. There's little holes in the thing, so you can stick it up, make sure that side is up, and that lines up with the holes. And then there's one for this mount, also the solar mount. This is a strap to mount it to a pole. So there's little slits here. You can put the strap through, you can put this through it, and you can mount this to a pole or some other object. Let's measure that strap. The strap is 40 inches long, but you're going to have some of it come in here. Like push this button down. You'll have to have some come in here so that it can grip. And that's a pretty strong grip. Okay, let's talk about mounting the camera now. They've got this diagram up here that's really important with green checks. Okay, so again, this always has to be down, and you have to be able to see the words. So if you want to mount it on the wall like that, you're going to mount it like this. The cable the solar panel does come with a 90 degree, so it will fit. Press these little tabs right here. Now, if you want to mount it to a ceiling up, you've got to put this other way and kind of come in this way, and now it clicks into place. So it's held there secure. You're going to mount this. You may have to unmount it in order to charge the battery or something, but it comes in from the side or this side. This camera always has to be positioned. Now you can turn it, but you don't want it positioned this way. You don't want it positioned this way. It always is like this. The black part is down, the white part is up, this is up. But you can mount it onto a wall like this, or a ceiling like this. Now let's measure. So you get about 1 inch. Overall, it's going to need about 6.5. The camera is about 6.5 by 3.5. You know, the mount's 2.5 by 2.5. Again, sticks up about 1 inch. It's got a little bit of weight to it. Okay, so you're going to get the eufy security app, and then you're going to log in, and then you're going to have to scan that QR code. Then the app on your phone or your tablet is also going to display a QR code, and you've got to point this camera at the QR code on your phone, and then it connects. It's going to have to do an update. The update does take about 5 minutes. And then again, there is a SIM card, so if you want to use cellular service, you'll put the Nano SIM card right here. Now it does come with an EAT Club Nano SIM card. If you want to use it, you'll have to log in and set up a plan. Okay, I'm going to hold the camera like it's mounted. Here's the app once it's set up. It's a really crystal clear display. I can activate the pan tilt, and now I can move it. So it's moving with my buttons and not my hand. I can go up. The limit's been reached. I can go down now. So it goes pretty straight down. And again, if you want to see that, I can kind of show you. See the left or right, it's moving. And left, and then I can go down. It does look like it does go straight down. Okay, it looks like there is a light. Spotlight is turned on. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, the spotlight's actually pretty bright. Now it does have a built-in alarm. So that is pretty loud. It does have a speaker. I can speak, you know, if I'm far away, I can listen to what's going on, and I can actually speak to it and have a conversation with somebody through that microphone. And the little blue light does show you that it's being recorded right now, and it's on. So I hope this unboxing and setup video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.